Ask one question and Inventory Pro's AI assistant creates a full graph dashboard in the same response: customers, stock, sales, products, and stock health. The first row gives the manager instant priorities: top customers by due balance and low stock products that need reorder attention. The next row adds different graph types, including a donut chart for inventory value by category and an area chart for the sales trend. Then the assistant compares best-selling products and stock health mix, helping the shop owner understand revenue and inventory risk together. This makes the video more useful for YouTube viewers. One AI response creates many interesting business graphs from plain language.